Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. I'm just change my lock screen wallpaper. So simply open my settings, scroll down, press on to wallpaper and style. Press on change wallpaper, then you get more option. Select, or if you want to change from your gallery, just press on and select any photo or video. Okay, and showing it to more, press on theme option, get more wallpaper. Or if you want to need any attractive wallpaper, make sure to connect your internet, get theme or wallpaper, select all. Or if you want to search from wallpaper, or if you want to search by wallpaper from here and provide more wallpaper, so I can select. Press on download, press on apply, and it's not down. You just select lock screen and home screen and just select lock screen. Just uncheck this mark, press on next, press on done. Now successfully change my lock screen wallpaper. So look here, my home screen wallpaper and lock screen wallpaper are different. So that's it.